Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Excel histogram. First, ensure your data is ready. Histograms are powerful tools for visualizing the distribution of numerical data, helping you understand patterns and variations. To begin, arrange your dataset in a single column or row within your Excel spreadsheet. This preparation is crucial for the next steps, ensuring the tool can correctly process your information and generate an accurate visual representation of your data's frequency. Before creating your histogram, you need to enable a vital Excel add-in called the Analysis Tool Pack. Navigate to the File tab, then select Options at the bottom of the menu. In the Excel Options dialog box, click on Add-ins from the left-hand pane. From the Manage drop-down, choose Excel Add-ins and click Go. Finally, check the box next to Analysis Tool Pack and click OK to activate it. This tool provides the necessary functions. With the Analysis Tool Pack enabled, you are ready to generate your histogram. Head over to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. On the far right, you will find the Data Analysis button. Click it. From the list of analysis tools, select Histogram and then click OK. In the Histogram dialog box, specify your data's input range. You can also define a bin range for custom intervals. Remember to select Chart Output for the visual. Once your histogram is generated, it is time to customize and interpret your results. You can easily modify the chart's appearance by adding a clear title, labeling your axes, and adjusting colors to enhance readability. Focus on the histogram's shape to understand your data's distribution. Look for patterns like a normal bell curve, a skewed distribution indicating outliers, or a bimodal distribution suggesting two distinct groups. This visual analysis provides valuable insights into your dataset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.